Hello and welcome everybody to my course Create Anything with AI. So this is section number 5, video generation with the help of AI tools, and this is lecture number 1, Kling AI. And by the way, it is a Chinese AI. So let's start. So now open Kling, and this is the main interface. So over here at the downward there is a panel. Click on video because I'm going to teach you all video generation. So there are three features: text to image, text to video, image to video, and multi elements. So the most important thing that at the upward panel, always choose video 1.6 because the upper two which are the best models, but they are unfortunately available in upgraded version only, the premium, the paid version. So video 1.6 is better, means it is not better, but it is still great. So I'm going to teach you all first text to video. So over here, there are three prompt boxes. So in the first one is the main prompt, second is the sound effects prompt, and third is the negative prompt. So in the main prompt, for example, if I type this prompt, let's read it. Create video of a soldier at an indoor shooting range wearing headphones and glasses, firing a semi-automatic pistol at a paper target. Show muzzle flash, bullet holes appearing, and smooth camera cuts from shooter to target to wide shot. Realistic lighting, sharp textures, natural colors, exclude gore, logos, distortions, sound, crisp 9 mm gunshot, and short indoor echo. Target impacts, brass casings, heating floor, faint background ambience. So this is the main prompt. Now the second prompt is of sound effects. So here we can put that what sound effects you want in your video. For example, give a sound effect when the soldier shoots the bullet of a gun shooting. So this is the sound effect. Means it will give a sound effect when the soldier shoots the gun. Now negative prompt. So what does negative prompt mean? This is the first AI model which I have seen that which have a negative prompt, and it is excellent because sometimes when we say something not to do in the main results to the AI, it definitely does it. If we say no to add any type of clip or any type of voice, it will definitely add it, and this is a bad feature of AI. But in the negative prompt, we can say no to it, to not to do, and it will exclude it from the main results. And down over here there are so many options we can choose. Wait a second, video 1.6. Now here there are two options, standard and professional. Professional is for the paid version, so we can only choose standard. Then how many seconds of video, 10 second or 5 second? I will choose 5 seconds only. Then the size of the video, portrait, landscape, anything. I will choose the landscape mode 16 9 because it is most versatile. Now how many outputs do we want? So I can only choose one output as it is in the free version. Now this is a creativity bar. So this creativity bar has 2 points, relevance and creativity. So if you keep the bar towards the creativity, then it will make it more exaggerated, creative or cartoonish type. And if you keep it on relevance, then it will make it realistic. So let's keep between. I always put it at it. Now in the main prompt, we can also type make it realistic. So this will make it more realistic. Now let's click on generate. So now waiting for a long time, it means estimated time is 20 minutes. Finally, the video has been made. Let's see this. Let's see it again. So as we can see, it has done a wonderful work. It is very realistic. So it has done a wonderful work. It is very realistic. But one mistake that we can see is this. Over here, the gun has some lighting, a green light. I don't know, it is like a lighter, gun lighter, which has a green flames in it. Some mistakes can be done, but the sound effect, the realistic, the realistic result, it is perfect according to the prompt. So Kling AI generates very realistic images. So that was it for the first feature. Now let's move towards the second feature. So the next feature I'm going to teach you all is the image to video. So at the right side of the text to video, it is image to video. So Kling AI also offers a feature of converting your image into video. So for that, you have to click and paste one of your photo. Like if I take for trial this photo. So this is my photo. Now I will give a prompt. Make this person person make this person start walking towards the camera and say hello. So here we can put any exclamatory mark like this. So according to the prompt, I will start walking towards the camera and then say hello. So this is a very simple. You can make some more details, give more details to the prompt and make it the way like you. For example, this example is enough. If we come downwards, there are same two features, sound effects and negative prompt. So in this video, I will not give any sound effects. If you want, you can give. And there is no negative prompt. We can give that don't change my body or face. So if you give this negative prompt, it is I think that it is a important negative prompt because sometimes AI changes your face, make it more a weird style, or change your body shape, make you fat or thin. So here there are the same all. I will keep it on relevance because I want more realistic one, a 5-second video and one output. So let's click on generate button. So now if you click on generate, I said that estimated time is 20 minutes. I can teach you another feature. So the next important feature is lip syncing. So at the left panel, you can see the symbol of lip, AI lip sync video generator. So you can come over here. Now you have to paste any video that has no sound in it. You have not spoken any words. If I paste this video, yes, this is the video. So this is the video. Let me play it for you once. So in this video, I have done some movement of lips only, but there is no audio in the video. So this is a 10-minute video. Sorry, 20 seconds video. Now over here, there are two options, text to speech. So in this, there are some of the agents. These are AI agents, only David, Betty, Michael, Diana, Mary, Eric. There are so many boys and girls, female, male, etc. So now over here, first we have to choose any of the dummy. Means if I choose David.
Let's circle back on this next week.
So this is the voice of David and this will be applied to this video. So for implying this feature, you have to choose that AI actor. Like if I am choosing Sunny, you have to click on it. We can also select speech rate, which I will keep 0.9x. We can add the emotions. Happy, I will choose happy. And now click on the add speech. And it will add the speech over here, means the voice of Sunny. As you can see over here, the audio has been placed. Now we have to click on the generate button. It takes only 15 credits, which is a very small amount. So now let's click on generate button. So after waiting for 15 to 20 minutes, it has done the lip syncing video. So let's see what it has done.
And I am a ninth grader at St. Anne's School, and I am all. Hi, I am Sunny, and I am a ninth grader at St. Anne's School, and I am also creating a course on Udemy on AI.
So as you can see that it has done perfect lip syncing and it has matched the words with it. And if you see all the dummy made by Kling AI, so you can
Hi,
choose the
I am
one
Sunny,
which
and I
exact
am a
matches
ninth
like your
grader at
face
St.
and
Anne's
then edit.
School,
It looks
and
very
I am
weird
also
because my
creating a
face and the
course on
voice of
Udemy
Sunny do
on
not match,
AI.
but you can do it in your own style. So if we go back in this video, I told you to give some time to the Kling AI to make the image to video generation. Till then, I taught you lip sync. So I think that it has generated. Yes, it has generated completely the image to video. Let's see
Hi.
the results finally. So as per the prompt, it has made a 5-second video in which I come, move towards the camera and say hi. So I think that at the hello part, it has done some mistakes. It has edited my face and make it some weird, but it's okay because AI hasn't
I am
developed
Sunny.
completely yet. So I think the Kling AI is wonderful. It makes so much realistic. So if you can see this army one, it is so realistic. So Kling AI is wonderful, excellent. So that was it for the
And I
video.
am a ninth
Thank you
grader.
and bye. Hello, my name is Mitansh Naik and welcome to my course Create Anything with AI. So this is section number 5, video generation with the help of AI tools. And this is lecture number 2, Adobe Firefly AI. So we discussed it in the one in our past section, which was I think section number 2 or 3 in the image generation one. So we are going to discuss it again, but for another motive, for another reason, which is for video generation. So let's start. So first, again, come to the Adobe Firefly, and this is the main interface. So now there is a panel below which has featured images, videos, audio, and vector. So as this is video generation section, we are going to obviously choose video. So there are so many types. The first two, text to video and image to audio, is a thing that every AI video generation AI tool can do. But the new things that Adobe Firefly can do better than other AIs, Kling AI, Hailu AI, etc., is translation video. So here we can upload any of our video and translate it into another, means another language. So let's try it now. So here, let me put a trial file. For example, if I put my course promotional video, so let's see. So after waiting for a few seconds, finally the video has been uploaded. So as you can see, this is the video. Obviously, all of you have seen the my promo video. That's why you bought this course. So for the translation audio, the editing will be done on the left side panel. So first, the source language. So what will be the source language? Means in which language I have spoken. So obviously my promo video is in English. So I have to click on English only. And then the second one is the translate. So in which language do we want to translate it? So let's see which language do we want to translate. So there are only some languages, some of the main languages of the world: Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, Korean, Hindi, Danish, Dutch, Swedish, Mandarin. So I am going to choose Hindi because many of my users will be from India only. Okay, so let's write the translate it into Hindi only. So downwards there is the transcript. Means it has auto detected that the what things I have said in this promo code, and this is the main script that is going to be translated. So now let's click on the generate button. And by the way, For this, using this tool, we need a paid version, a premium version, but I am using a trial version. So you can also do it for 1 or 2 times. So let's click on the generate button. So after waiting for estimated time 5 minutes or 6 to 7 minutes, it has completed. So first, let's see the preview. I will zoom it out for you. And now let's play.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मितांश नायक है और मेरे पाठ्यक्रम में सभी का स्वागत है। एआई के साथ कुछ भी बनाएं। ऐप, संगीत, कला, छवियां, वीडियो, प्रस्तुति।
So I have played a little preview only, but one mistake which you see in this tool is the lip syncing is not done properly. So for lip syncing, I recommend you to, if you want to translate it, first translate it using the Adobe Firefly and then do the lip syncing using the AI only, but using a different tool, which I explained you in the lecture 1 of this section, which was Kling AI. So Kling AI does perfect AI say lip syncing, and over there you have a upload local dubbing option only also, in which you have to upload your one of your recordings, and then it will take your voice from the recording and put it over here. It does perfect lip syncing. So to create or translate any, you can use translation with this and then do the lip syncing with the help of Kling AI. So that was it for the first feature, and let's move towards the second feature. And if you want to download it, click there's the download button over here. So let's go backwards again. So again, click on video, and the next more important feature that we can do with Adobe Firefly is text to avatar. So it will generate a video with a virtual assistant by providing a written script. So for example, let me do it for you. Let's click on try now and let's click on create new. So this type of script comes. So over here we have to enter any of the script over here, means what dialogue will the avatar say, or the assistant or any of the AI dummy will say. So before writing the script, let's go to the left panel, scene setting. So avatar accent, it will choose the accent, English India, English US, English UK. So I will click on English India, Indian accent. Now the avatar, we can choose avatar over here. We can browse more of them like Sola, Tom, Shweta, Kathleen, Isabel, Jennifer, Greg. So as there are foreigners only, no, we have one Indian. Because I am choosing a Indian dummy because I have choose the Indian English accent. That's why. So let's hear.
Text to avatar transforms.
So this is Anish, AI dummy made by Adobe Firefly, and let's use this. So we have selected it, and now let's click on go back. Here, background. So what type of background do we want? So we can choose any of the color. We can choose a green screen if we want to edit it after that, after making. So let me choose my favorite color, or should I choose black? Let's choose red color, or maybe mustard color. So mustard color is okay. So this is done. And now let's come on to the main prompt, the main script. So now I have made the prompt. Let's see it over here. Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Anish Kumar and I am really excited to have you here. In this course, we will be exploring generative AI, breaking it down into step by step so it's easy to understand and apply. The goal is to make learning both simple and practical. Whether you just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, you will find useful knowledge here that you can use right away. So let's get started and make this journey both fun and productive. So this is the main prompt, the main script that Anish will speak. Now let's click at the generate button. So after waiting for a long period of time, estimated time approximately 10 minutes, it has created finally. So let's look at the preview. Wait a second. Yes, let's start.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Anish Kumar, and I'm really excited to have you here. In this course, we'll be exploring generative AI, breaking it down step by step so it's easy to understand and apply. The goal is to make learning both simple and practical. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, you'll find useful knowledge here that you can use right away. So let's get started and make this journey both fun and productive.
So, as you have seen the preview, so the lip syncing is perfect and the words spoken by it is also perfect. It means doesn't look that much realistic, but it is still good. According to AI, means it is still good. So now if you want to download it in MP4, you can download it from here. So this was it for the Adobe Firefly video, and it is a little bit smaller video because it can do more things in video generation like text to video, image to video, enhance the speech, enhance the quality. But these all things can be done by other AIs more good, more enhanced, and more powerful. So I'm not including this in my tutorial or my demo. So this was it. Thank you and bye. Hello, my name is Mitansh Nayak and welcome to my course Create Anything with AI. So this is section number 5, video generation with the help of AI tools. And this is lecture number 2, Hailu AI. So like lecture 1, it is also Chinese AI tool. But let me say that Hailu AI is not like Ring AI. Means it has no many options, many editing options. It is a very simple AI tool. But I am showing this demo, means this is not also a demo. I'm just showing Hilo AI in this lecture because it creates very realistic, ultra realistic images. So let's start. So now go to Google and type Hilo AI. So the first link you see, click on that and that will redirect you to this type of interface. So this is the main interface. After doing the sign in, sign up, login, etc. Go to the left panel, click on the video. Now over here there are three features: text to video, subject reference and image to video. So first I will teach you text to video. So let's see our prompt. So I have created this prompt. Create a video of a bustling Indian street bazaar in daylight. A street food vendor is standing behind a small stall cooking hot snacks in a large pan with steam and smoke rising. Crowds of people move naturally in the background, some stopping to watch, others walking past with shopping bags. The vendor wears a more simple apron and gestures to customers while she is steering the pen. Camera feels handheld with slight natural shake, realistic lighting, natural expressions, subtle hand and body movements, detailed background, sounds of chatter, and market ambience. So as you can see that the prompt is highly detailed. It has so many details that the camera should be handheld, it should have a natural shake, then everything, because Hailu AI is used for realistic videos, for creating realistic videos. So details in the prompt is necessary. Now over here, if you come to down sections, there are three panels. First one is of models. So there are three models of Hailu AI. I am choosing Hailu O2 because it is the newest and latest one. Then if you come over here, there is the resolution and the duration setting. So in resolution, we can choose how many resolution, how much clarity of video you want. It is 1080p and 768p. So we can choose 768p only in the free version, and the duration is only being in 6 seconds. So now over here we can decide the quantity. According to the increase in quantity, the credits will also get increased. So I'm choosing only one quantity. And now let's click on generate button. It takes 25 credits. So now after clicking on generate button, it has started making. So it will take estimated time of 5 to 10 minutes. So let's wait. So now waiting after the 5 to 10 minutes, it says generated. Now let's see it. So now, after seeing the whole video, there are some things that we have noticed. There is no audio in the video. So Hailu AI doesn't mix audio into video because it is a very, I think, old AI. So in older versions of AI, there was no audio in the video. Only video was produced. But the main thing, the clarity. As you can see that this is very realistic. The face of the vendor looks very natural and realistic. The people around here, the things, everything looks so realistic, and I think no other AI can do this type of realistic work. So now let's go backwards. Wait a second. Yes, so we can tell it to recreate it. If we doesn't like it, then we can download it from here. And if you want to remove the watermark, as you can see in the video, bottom right corner, we will be going to need a premium version, paid version, and we can also we can also share it and download it from here. So now let's move towards the second feature, which is image to video. So for that, click over here, and now we have to upload any of our image. For example, I am taking this image in which I am holding a guitar in my hand. Now let's see the prompt. Take the input of image of a person holding a guitar, animate them so they begin walking slowly towards the camera with smooth natural steps. As they get closer, the person lifts the guitar slightly and starts singing with lip movements perfectly sync to the music. As Hailuya is not creating music, let's cut that. Perfectly synced. Yes, their face shows realistic musical expressions, raised eyebrows, emotional eyes. Instead of emotional, I think we should write happy eyes. Happy eyes, slight head movements. Keep the performance natural like a live stage video. Lightning should stay cinematic and consistent with the original photo. And don't change change my the person's face or body, and keep video realistic. So you can also add this to make it perfect. Wait a second. Yes, now it's done. If we come to our download panel, I will again use Hilo O2. Then the video will be of 512p, 768p or 1080p. So I will choose 768p because in free version only these two are applicable, and 768 resolution is better. Now let's see the duration, which is 6 seconds only. Number of quantity, as I have explained you, will be based on credits. And now let's click on it, and it will only take 25 credits. So after waiting for a few minutes, for 5 minutes or something like that, it has finally generated. Let's see the video. So as you can see, like the Kling AI, when I'm coming forward, it has little bit edited my face and it has made it weird. But according to the prompt, it has done. But if we give this type of prompts to it, like make him come forward and do this image to video, it creates small mistakes. It makes our face more awkward. As you can see, I have written that don't edit or change my face or body, but still it has done. AI always does it. So you can see that if you go with the text to video, you can see that this Indian bazaar was very realistic one. No one could identify that it is made up of AI or it is real. So that was it for the Hailu AI's demo. Thank you and bye. Hello, my name is Mitansh Naik and welcome to my course Create Anything with AI. So this is section number 5, video generation with the help of AI tools. And this is lecture number 4, Runaway AI. So let's start. So first open Google and type Runaway AI, and after clicking on the link, this type of interface comes. Now you have to go to the left panel and click on all tools. Now select the filter of video tools, and these are some of the features which some of the things that Runaway AI can do. So the main features that no other AI can do are means some of them can do, but these are the best. In painting and remove background of a video. It can also do transcript and super slow motion, but I will be not going to teaching those. Now let's go to the first feature, in painting. So after clicking on it, this type of interface comes. Now over here at the left side, you have to drop any of the file. For example, I will take this file. So in this file, this is a video which we generated in the previous lecture of Hilo AI. You remember that the bustling Indian market, as you can see in the frame section, that is the same video of the that we created in Hilo AI of Indian market. So now, as you can see that there is a purple type cursor on the screen. Now at the right panel, if you come, you have to select the mode of include. Now we can also select the brush size. We can put it on 10. I will put it on let's think 20. Yes, that's enough. Now you have to brush over the means if I want to delete this main person who is cooking, then I have to just brush over him like this. Like this we have to color and brush over him, and it is not like perfectly, it can be roughly. So now I have done. So after 1-2 seconds only, it has finally made it. So as you can see, let's see the preview. So in here you can see that there are so many mistakes, like there is a gray color background over somewhere. This happened because in the background, as there were so many people, if the video contains only 2-3 people, then it can do it perfectly. But as my video contains so many people in the background, it has created a gray like structure which looks very unrealistic. But if you choose a proper video with 2-3 persons or 5-6 persons, then it can do it perfectly. But as this was as an example, this was okay. It has done a wonderful job. So that was it for this video. This is a very short video because Runaway AI can has only this feature which is very useful. It has so many features, but other AIs can do better than this. So this was it for Runaway AI. Thank you and bye.